Nanubabo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? Yako'y Louis Season ning Wearin Pampanga. Oy tangin ni kami keng Souq Pampanga, so located dyan ni keng along Lazatin Boulevard of City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Ngeni atin lang ba yung promo and ausan ding Karne by Souq. Ayan o. Only 499 pesos. Nanularetang items na included kita. Actually, unlimited eat all you can ini ha. So it's a buffet, unlimited eat all you can. And according kay ning lista ini, sabi na atin yung samgyupsal, atin yung steaks, atin yung wings, atin yung pork yakitori, atin yung nachos, atin yung soup, rice, pasta, a lot. Ngayon bengi ngayon ni, pakilawenta mo nung nanularetang included kitang 499 pesos sa ito. So sulit siya ba? Lawentam. Hello, ay ni Ma'am Brgy, no?
Hi guys!
Ay, medyo madalumdum. Kaya ni ka ta.
Bilan.
Ay tao. Hello, Ma'am Brgy.
Hi! May kasama ako, yung friend ko, syempre.
Hello, what's your name?
Parantes.
Dito tayo. Hello, say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys!
Sigat lang rin ni guys, follow yun lang. Orin na rin Instagram daw. Okay.
Alright.
So, hi Crystal. Taga-saan ka?
Hi.
Tagalog ka Mambangan?
Kahit ano, pili ka lang.
Bisaya.
French.
French. Rendezvous?
Rendezvous.
Coulez-vous coucher avec moi?
Rendezvous.
Déjà vu, bonjour. Okay. Kabila niya mag-opening Karne.
Yung Valentine.
Feb 14.
Yes, Feb 14.
Okay. So, sabi ko na din kitang intro ko, ang nakadakal kay Kenny, variants na.
Yes.
Okay, so, today, bubusugin namin yun.
Ready na.
Ready na.
May glus kong malan para, di ba?
Halata. Masyadong halata. Okay,
Yes.
siguro rin na rin pakuha ng tamong food, kay but mga tamo kitang table tamo. So, first stop tamo is itang samgyupsal. Kung apansin nyo guys, yung samgyupsal daw, aluwa rin na rin itang thin slice. Nano nga sa mo rin, wow, it's really thick. Ayan o. So, you order it, or you get it from here.
Luto na agad.
Luto na agad. So, ay nakamamaw nga.
So, yes.
Mga nakam.
Ready to eat.
Ready to eat.
Anytime, pwede na mangan. Siyempre, ko ba yung luto, guys? Kasi, tara.
Sir, kumagawa. Hello po.
Itak mo yung kanan ko kasi nakarakal choices eh.
Pilitan kay ko, a little bit of everything. Para enjoy.
Wow. Banta, enjoy mo nga. So, yan.
So, ikaw Crystal, kay ka ba? Samgyupsal person ka ba?
Oo, wow. Lagi ko kay friendship, Korean
Friendship,
town.
Kaya hindi na ka mapadalas kanyo. Ma'am Regine, kaya ning section na ini, na naman yung...
Atikatang dessert station, Kenny.
Okay.
So, atikatang fresh fruits. Tapos, syempre, rin most famous kening Souq Pampanga. Then, kaya katang PALITAW, Delight, at ilang caramel kayong kilog, guys.
Wow!
So, yun.
Tapos atin din Italian, at least ating pizza eh.
Atin tamong pizza.
Tapos ating nachos.
Atin tamong
Yan,
burrito.
burritos, yan.
Atin tamong soft tacos shell.
Oy, nye!
Yes.
Kikita ya rin guys.
Kaya, lechon.
Lechon tacos.
Lechon tacos, yes.
Lechon tacos.
Lechon tacos.
With chicharon salsa.
Chicharon salsa. So, syempre kukuha tayo ng nachos mo. Make your own nacho. The best yini. The best. Hey, solid. Sarap. Ating tapang sushi, oh. Sarap.
Di pa sa kay Crystal?
True. Excited na ako. Kasi tinta mo ding salad. Ang popang soup. Soup of the day tamo is cream mushroom.
Cream mushroom.
Cream mushroom soup. Takman tayo siya.
Okay. Oh, ito, we're back. So, ito bin, in goal tamo is to get a little bit of everything and then to go to our table and then karin tamo mga. Of course, Kenny, Karne by Souq Pampanga is an eat all you can unlimited buffet. you can always go back. Anything you want, mga budime, you can always go back. Diba? Okay, so this section right here is, this is baked potato. Gratin, and then we have pasta, and then Kenny naman is...
Actually, Denny, magaliwa-liwala, depende kay Maldo. So,
so,
Kenny, available tamo is roasted chicken, and then
okay.
this one is the filet.
Alright.
Para atak man tamuan, kasi ito pang chicken, yakitori, tapos ito pang steak.
Mapin, ano?
So, mabayad naman siya.
Di pa saba kay Ma'am Regine ngayon. Alright, so Kenny pala Kyla. Flame grilled steaks, as you can see. Yan, so again, Kenny is steak all you can, order all you can steak. Alright, thanks so much, Ma'am Regine. So we're gonna go to our table. So tinta mo family Kenny, yan. So here's our table, guys. Go, sige, go. Dali, i-focus ko para sa'yo.
Business.
Okay. Wow. So, 27 and you have your own travel agency?
Kaka-open lang.
When?
February 20.
Okay.
After Valentine's.
Okay. So, how can they contact you or...
Follow us on Facebook. Takpasan. Ito yung
Yun.
And then sa Instagram, Fasten Travel and Tours.
Okay. Alright.
Pabook kayo sa amin, maraming promo.
Okay, so...
Kasama siya sa akin sa tayo.
Ito na yung mga brothers. Kamusta, brother?
Bowie.
Bapi.
Bawian na kaming 1 year.
Bawianing 1 year na absent ya, guys. So, okay, so pingwan na ka na Ma'am Regine. So, again, almost a little bit of everything. So, tinta mong salad Ken, tinta mong pizza, samgyupsal, this is a burrito. Yan. And, tinta mong sushi. And then this one, itong kainan din. Nanong sa sinaman? Fajitas? Kapangalingon ko talaga. Grabe.
Tutwa.
Tutwa ing bili, pero nyanyaman. Ay,
Yung pamang.
Ing pamangan. Wow. Steak. Thank you. Another steak. Para ka rin boys lang rin. Oh, brother. So, lo nyo naman guys. Talagang for a group of 6, medyo miglo pa yung manating kaya kaming table. Kasi nakadakala, itabin, varieties and choices for you to enjoy. Ito, so, yung susunod na video tamo is medyo mabilis siya. So, time-lapse muna tayo. Ciao! Ma'am Regine, actually super mabsi kami Kenny. Pero let's talk about prices and your promos.
Okay.
Sige po.
So, in price tamo Kenny, 499 per head.
499, okay?
Okay, ito, ng food I ikit you and drinks, yan. Unlimited ngayon.
Unlimited.
Actually, yatin tamo din coffee Kenny.
Mm-hmm.
So, tapos for the month of March, ating katang promo,
Okay.
Unli Beer, Abeya.
Really?
Unli Beer ya
Unli
pa.
Beer, okay, and then?
Okay, ating kami pang promo na 3+1.
Okay. Well, how is that?
So, manuki kang atlo, itang pangapat yung kayabe, free ya guys.
Wow, so di ba usually 5+1 tapos
Yes,
birthday na pa daw?
Yes,
So,
ikabi
can-
ala nang kailangan birthday, ala nang kailangan whatever, 5, kay atlo mo guys. Mumuli niya mo 374 per head.
374 per head.
Unlimited gan guys.
Okay.
Mamasyal to ko yan.
There you go. Try it.
use. Super sulit, promise.
And me.
Thanks.
And memo. Alright, so again guys, so ito kami kaining Karne by Souq Pampanga. This actually opened February 14 of 2019. So this is the newest place for your eat all you can craving. So ating tamong steak yan, ating tamong wings, ating tamong samgyupsal. We have a huge table for almost everything. So ating Mexican ken, ating Italian, Atin ding sushi, of course. So, atin na rin mixed fruits and ni pagmaraguda rin Pampanga. Nanong sino?
Palitaw Delight.
Palitaw Delight. Kay Kapampangan, Pepal to. Yan. Kasi dati lang makasalikod din eh. Thank you, Sir John.
Thank you.
God bless you. Thank you for the invite. Bye. Mag-pictorial la rin ng adwang girls. Bye.
Pamangkin ko. Bye.
Thanks for
Thank
the
you so
invite.
much. Thank you. See you here.
See you here for sure. Okay.
Yeah. See you.
Thanks. Peace out. Bye.